if you are new here to my channel, hello, my name is Nicole and this is Simplistic Home, and here I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. So I typically take you guys thrifting with me at least once a week, sometimes more. It kind of just depends on what I'm feeling like, but thrifting is definitely a hot item here over on the Simplistic Home. So I absolutely love it. If you are new here to my channel, then you will find very quickly that affordable decorating is right up my alley. So I love to share that with you guys as well, and just share tips and tricks on how to thrift, where you can shop clearance, when to shop clearance, just different things like that. So if all of that sounds good to you, I hope you consider giving this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And without further ado, let's head into the thrift store. So as you saw, I just went to Renew and I also stopped at the Goodwill and I found some really cute things today. So at Renew, I loved those little brass ducks. I know it's super random, but I just thought that they were so cute. And also the little like wicker picnic basket, or like, it almost looked like a suitcase. That was really cute too. The amber bottle was cute. There was just a lot of really cute things in there today. So I did end up leaving with one thing, and I actually don't think I showed a clip of it, but it is this little like off-white crock. So I've been wanting one for my kitchen for a while now, but sometimes they can be super expensive. And anyway, long story short, I found this one for $4. So I ended up picking this up today from there. And then at the Goodwill, I absolutely loved that like tri-fold like wooden, I don't know, like divider kind of thing. So pretty, but it was $150 and I was not about to pay $150 for it. So I left it there, but I did end up finding a few other things. I ended up grabbing some universal thread boots. So I think I only showed one clip of the boots, but these are actually a different pair. So these are universal thread and they were only like $4 and what was it? $4.79. So really cute. I will save these obviously for fall and winter, but you can't beat a good pair of boots and they look brand new. And then the other thing that I grabbed from Goodwill is that black log holder. So it's pretty big, so I don't know if I'll be able to like get it in a clip, but anyway, this is what it is. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, then you know that basically all last year I was collecting these, because as you guys know, I do like resell some things too at like vendor markets and stuff like that throughout the year. Anyway, long story short, I was collecting a bunch of those for fall and winter last year. I think I found like 7 or 8 total. And I just found a solid black one, so I can either use it for resale or I can even use it in my home if I wanted to do that as well. I absolutely love how they looked when they're styled in a home. So anyway, which, speaking of styling things in a home, so I recently have been like looking up, like really just trying to dive deep into knowing what my exact style is. Like I know there's got to be a name to it, right? So I know in my home I use some rustic, some farmhouse, a little bit of boho, some traditional, kind of just a mix of all sorts of things. And I knew there just had to be an exact name for it. So long story short, I'm going through my Pinterest boards and I'm looking up all the things that, some of the things I've incorporated into my home already, some of the things I hope to incorporate into my home as far as like DIY projects and things of that sort. And I'm just trying to really narrow down like what is the name of my decor style. So I found it, and it is European farmhouse. So if you were to look up European farmhouse, it is a mixture of neutral, earth tones, vintage finds, like literally described my home decor to the T. So European farmhouse is my style, which is super cool. I love finally knowing that. As you guys know, I love the earth tones in my home. I incorporate lots of blues, greens, clay colors, you know, ivories, all of that. We love texture. We have brick in our kitchen. We have a brick fireplace. We love wood tones, just all the things. So super exciting. What I was getting at with that is I have obviously been, you know, as I go thrifting, I do buy certain things for my home, but you guys have yet to see how I style it. So coming up soon, I am going to be doing some more decorating style videos. I'm going to be decorating my home for summer. A lot of these pieces that I have been finding while thrifting the last couple of months, I am saving for my summer decorating videos. So stay tuned for those. Those are coming up really soon, probably towards the end of this month. So I'm super excited to share those with you. I found a lot of great things, I think, at a lot of good prices. So if you're interested in how I style all of these pieces, be on the lookout. Don't forget to subscribe today if you are new. I would love to have you. Like I said at the beginning of this video, the Simplistic Home is all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. So absolutely love sharing all of my ideas and just styling tips and all of that, thrifting tips with you guys. So if you guys enjoy it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Once again, like I said, thank you for watching today. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video here. So I will see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned for all the fun things coming up here at the Simplistic Home. And don't forget to check me out over on Instagram as well. I'll leave my handle right here. It's just at the Simplistic Home. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.